Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the battery and filter in your Roomba S9. This process is crucial for maintaining your robot vacuum's performance. Let's begin with the tools you will need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and of course, a replacement battery and filter compatible with the Roomba S9. You can find these parts at most electronics retailers or online. First, make sure your Roomba is powered off. To do this, simply press and hold the clean button until you hear a voice prompt. Once it's off, flip your Roomba over to access the bottom. Here, you'll see several screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery cover. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. After removing the screws, gently lift the battery cover off. Now, you will see the battery. Disconnect the battery by pulling the connector straight out. If you're unsure how to do this, take a moment to look at how it's connected before removing it. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the battery is disconnected, it's time to install the new one. Take your new battery, align the connector with the socket, and push it in firmly until you hear a click. After that, replace the battery cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure it's firmly in place to avoid any operational issues. Next, let's move on to replacing the filter. Locate the filter compartment on the back of the Roomba. Open this compartment by pressing the latch. You'll see the old filter, gently pull it out. It's advisable to clean the compartment with a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. If you have any concerns about cleaning, our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to keep your Roomba in top shape. Insert the new filter into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Close the compartment lid securely. Now, it's important to check if everything is assembled correctly. Turn your Roomba back on by pressing the clean button. Listen for any unusual sounds, everything should operate smoothly. If you notice anything off, remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you can understand costs up front. Once your Roomba is back in action, don't forget to keep an eye on the battery and filter regularly. Changing the filter every 2 months and the battery every year can help extend the life of your Roomba. And there you have it. A complete guide to replacing the battery and filter in your Roomba S9. With these simple steps, your robot vacuum will operate more efficiently, giving you more time to enjoy your clean home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.